Look at me, Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be heading over to Granny's, and I have to let the contractors in. The same guy that did my flooring is going to Granny's right now, and he's going to be doing her flooring. If you guys remember on all the house builds that we're doing, or all the house updates that I was doing to my house, we ended up pulling up my floor because it was pretty much new. Since we installed vinyl flooring, we're transferring the laminate over to Granny's house, and then we're going to be heading to Works Customs, and we're going to be finishing up the side skirts and the mud guards and everything, and straightening this up a little bit. It's already freaking 7 something. I was supposed to be leaving at 7 in the morning to get to Granny, so contractor should be there at 8, so I need to leave. So let's start this thing up and get up out of here. No time for a cold start today, so we just about to head straight out.
Wasn't too happy, huh? Tell him, Grammy. Tell him, 8 o'clock somewhere.
What's up, blood?
What's up with it? How you doing?
Cool?
You don't know how to tell time.
You said what?
You don't know how to tell time.
It's traffic.
That's the time it is up.
Man.
I told you had an accident on 80. That's where you was. Get down and help him.
Huh?
You heard her?
Oh no, I don't do this. Alright, so the living room is just about almost done. Supposed to be doing the hallway, but we actually didn't have enough flooring from my house. We should have took more of the flooring out of my house, but we're a little bit short. So I'm trying to call around to see if I can get this exact same brand. But I know they, like, everywhere we've been calling, they've been discontinuing it, changing it. So we need to see if the interlocking mechanisms are all the same. That way we can have enough to do the hallways. And then once everybody's up out of here and it's just my granny, I'm gonna be cleaning out my brother's old room, pulling up this old carpet. My mom's room, when she's gone, get all her shit out of here, pulling up this carpet. And then we'll continue with the flooring all the way through, flooring in granny room and everything. A lot of work that needs to go into this house. So what you thinking of the flooring so far, Granny?
Very nice.
Looks better. Definitely looks better without all the paint and crap all on the floor. You can see the reflection. It looks a lot nicer in here compared to this old ashy flooring. It's just paint all over. Yeah. This house needs a lot of work, man. A lot. I'm trying to do what I can with what I have.
Thank you.
I'm trying. Y'all understand how hard it is to continue to do the car stuff. Like, I'm trying to balance that. My house, my household. Trying to help Granny and get her what she needs and fix her house up. So it's definitely not as easy as everybody may think it seems and what it look like, but trying with what I have to get all this stuff done. So these walls all need to be painted. This whole bathroom all this needs to come, like, it has to get gutted, man. And then whoever when they redid the house last time, the framing on the bathroom and stuff isn't done right, so you got moisture coming through. When my brother broke in the house, he freaking climbed through this window, broke the tile and stuff, pulled this off the wall. So it's a lot, and unfortunately I'm the only one doing it by myself. So eventually I'll get it done, but trust me, it is hard. It ain't as easy. So y'all already know familiar settings. That means we are here at Works Customs, getting ready to finish up the last bit of vette. I got ready to put the side skirts on yesterday, and then I remember we had to adjust the fender because the door was hidden. So right here along this area, we need to actually push the fender back in. That way the side skirt and everything lines up. So we're about to get those on today. Also got the front splash guards, rear splash guards for this that connects to the side skirt, and then the rear side guards are the rear splash guards from the ZR1 that goes on here to keep you know, to keep it from mud from splashing. And the reason why the splash guards are so important on the front is since Corvettes are so wide, what ends up happening is rocks end up coming past right here, going up and hitting your paint. Same thing for the front, comes up, goes here, hits paint. So they offer the ZR1 and Z06s offer splash guards to protect the paint stuff from rock chips. Since Jesse overworked Brian isn't here right now. They're here till like 4 in the morning, and it's only like 12 right now. So Brian's probably still at home counting Z's and sheeps and stuff. So he's a no call, no show. He's showing up late. So me and Jesse gonna knock this thing out.
You know, that's how it be sometimes.
Femi, I'm about to be the new Works Customs employee.
Hell yeah.
Femi, you gotta expand the brand.
You got to, man.
Equal rights for everybody. You know, it's only right to hire a black dude plus some part white. So you already hired a black and a white dude all in one shot. All you need is an Asian now.
Yeah, here, brother. We got the whole pack at that point.
Need a little Chinese dude.
Oh boy. So which piece first? So do these little fuckers go in first, or do I have to?
I think we should put these on first.
First. You good right there?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, I'm on my edge.
I'm locked. Hold on. All right, I'm tapped in.
All right.
So 2 self taps in, and look at that. Done.
Magic done.
So off camera, we're gonna probably add like 17 more.
every inch, another one.
Every couple feet. Then this John's gonna go something like there we go, something like that. We'll see if I decide to keep these or not.
I'm gonna trim a little bit of this so you have a nicer clutch fit.
And one side done. This looks good.
We're still waiting on Brian.
Yep, Brian's still not here. Oh yeah, this looks good. Just those final details. Get this out in the light and show y'all in a little bit, but it looks real good. At first I was kind of iffy on these, but they actually flow pretty good with it. And this is how it's sitting with the new side skirts and everything all on. Looks good, everything lines up good. Definitely makes it look more aggressive. And the car looks a lot lower now. So I'm gonna wrap these carbon fiber, and then I gotta figure out if I'm gonna do that part black or if I'm gonna do that carbon also. All right, y'all see all these wrap rolls, that only means one thing.
Hey, listen, we got piano black right there.
We're not wrapping this.
Do this right now?
This fool. You ain't gonna stay up all night.
No, fuck that. I got work tomorrow.
Don't tempt me.
I told him to come back this weekend.
Don't tempt me, bruh. I'll be like, bruh, let's freaking wrap both the doors tonight. That we could do. And we could wrap the hatch too. We can literally wrap the doors and the hatch tonight.
So then what? Now you're gonna have a non-wrapped hood and a non-wrapped bumper. Then you're looking real crazy.
50 Shades of Black.
We could, but then your mirrors take a long time. Then you gotta
Be out here silver mirror.
bring it back this weekend. Leave it with me for a week. We'll make it all piano black.
He's trying to wrap it. I'm trying to paint it. Jesse wants to paint it.
Is he gonna paint it by April?
Yeah, he's gonna paint both cars by April.
Cool.
But yeah, we're here
Paint's
to
always better.
we're here to get these side skirts carbon fiber wrapped. You know what I'm saying? We gotta carbon wrap these. Remember I told y'all I couldn't get these in carbon in time for LSS. So yeah, instead of waiting freaking 14 weeks to get carbon, it's like whatever, get fiberglass, we'll wrap them carbon. There's enough carbon on here for this to be just not carbon.
Let's hope we got enough
So,
carbon.
what you mean? Man, is this a good carbon or is this the booth carbon?
This is the carbon that you've been using.
All right, this is a good one.
All right.
Yeah,
Listen, all these people watching the channel, I don't do this, okay? So don't be like, hey, can you carbon wrap my, like, whatever part? No. Paradox only does full cars to sell the colors. Mike's the only one now that gets the accent pieces. Okay? Buy some, and try it yourself. ParadoxStyling.com.
Hey. Hey, a whole bunch of videos you can look at on how to do it yourself, too.
The shameless plug.
All right, so look at this. This, man, can you tell? You cannot tell, yo. You can't. You cannot tell. You can't look me in my eyes right now or look me in my video right now and tell me this don't match up.
You can tell Paradox got the hottest carbon in the game.
Real carbon, paracarbon. Dude, look at the transitioning right here. It looks hella good. So he's finishing up that right there.
Here, look.
Oh, yeah, right there. Look at that, man. Come on, yo. It's all glossy, too, like the real thing. Let me show y'all the other side. The other side's done. And then this matching up with that, this looks... This is crazy.
Well, now you're thinking about wrapping the whole car carbon, aren't you?
This looks good. I don't know. Y'all could probably tell that the C6 is like slowly becoming like my favorite car. This is like daddy mobile right here. This is daddy-ish. Imagine, even though I don't go to the club, but imagine once to the club pulling up in this chomping, looking hella good. Bitch is gonna be like, ooh, look at that car. That's a Ferrari. That's a Ferrari right there. It looks so nice and wide. I'm gonna get drunk and let him pound my cheeks.
There you go.
That's how they feel about your Audi.
What? The Audi?
Yeah, that glitter thing out there.
Bling mobile right there.
And now he out there on the 20s. It really look like a drug dealer car.
I think it's tight.
It looks sick.
That looks sick.
I don't know if y'all can see
and it's
it.
lowered. Hey, that thing barely fit. I got the Mike fitment. Somehow, I magically managed to make that shit fit.
You know what I'm saying? We always got good fitment. Always.
That was a fluke of luck. Like, they sent me the wrong size wheel and shit, but it ended up working out with the 15mm spacers, and I hit the fenders hard enough. Look at that. Okay, we're good.
This looks good. So what we putting carbon on next?
If you come back this weekend, we'll carbon this whole side. I think we got enough for the side and the hatch, but I don't think we have enough for the whole car though. We would have to order.
So what do you think, man? You've seen all my cars. What's my favorite car? Or what's
What's my favorite car?
Which one of my cars is your favorite car?
The SC.
Why?
Just because it was so nasty the first time we did it, and you were getting sideways on the freeway, and we lost our gas cap. I was like, this thing sounds like a goddamn jet. If you make this sound like a jet, this would be my new favorite.
Man, I got a turbo to do all that.
Make it sound like a jet. Come on. I think it's fucking whistling. But this is really sick. It does remind me of the Batmobile if we did it all black.
That's why I call it the Vette Mobile.
Because it is so damn wide.
Yeah, it's the Vette Mobile.
You need some like extra fins or something, like little.
Oh, you trying to rice it out, yo?
Man. Hey,
nah.
You want some like side fins?
No, nah. We ain't doing that.
Underglow.
Next thing you should put a Batman logo on. I think a Batman logo would be hell sick with yellow headlights.
Do it.
Y'all know Paradox is rice as hell. We don't listen to Paradox recommendations.
Asian people, man. Hey.
About to be loud. Wake up all his neighbors. It's a push button. Clutch in, push the button. I can picture you in this thing, man. Woo! love this thing. Hard to say, but this might be my favorite car, yo. I don't know. I don't know, man. Oh, he's driving through his grass. He knows a bunch of dookie over there. Horse dookie, duck dookie, goat dookie, cat dookie, dog dookie, chicken dookie. Man, you know you love the way this thing sounds, yo.
It does feel pretty nice.
You feel it's like a free, hey, it's like a free massage, huh?
But I can't keep copying Mike, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like, I'll get the same wrap, I'll get the same car. What am I gonna do? Hello. What are you doing?
It's cracking. What do you think of that carbon wrap?
Looks good, man. And it goes nicely with the fenders.
See that gas door?
Oh, shit.
Can you tell the difference?
No, you really can't. Dang, that's pretty nice stuff, dude. Not bad. Yeah, I mean, you can't tell what's real and what's not. I mean, anybody that just pulled up, they'd be like, damn, full carbon vet.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a